Azlina AR, salam, with reference to the Korban 2024 Palestine goat. Will the slaughtering be done in Palestine itself? And if so, where at? So this is an interesting question because the situation in Palestine itself, as everyone knows, is very volatile. However, we keeping a close watch of the situation with our partners on the ground there. Recently, we have received updates that inshallah, the Korban will be done within Gaza itself, guys, okay? So, the slaughtering, processing and distribution of Korban meat will take place in the middle and the northern regions of Gaza, okay, guys? Specifically in Deir al-Balah, which is located 25 kilometers from Rafah, and in Jabalia, which is located 40 kilometers from Rafah. Encourage everyone to actually buy and purchase Palestine Korban for this year in the hopes that we are able to give as much as possible our support towards the people of Palestine. Although it is expensive at $500, but I guess the support that they need is super important, guys. So head on to www.punduhabang.com, select Korban in Palestine and do your bit to support the Palestinians. Thank you.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.